throw a ball at 9 meters per second at 40 degrees, how far will it travel? Well, in order to answer this question, you need to think of the trajectory as a triangle with an angle of 40 degrees and a side measuring 9 meters per second. Then you add in a vertical component, which will be the opposite, and an adjacent. You then use simple trigonometry to work out what the opposite side is, which would be sine times by 40 times by 9, which gives you an answer of 5.79 meters per second. Then it's important that you write down the components of UVAS that you actually have. So in this case, we know that U is equal to 5.79. Therefore, V must be equal to minus 5.79 because at the top of the trajectory, it goes the opposite way to the original one. And then you have acceleration, which is minus 9.8 because the ball is going upwards. Therefore, it's going against gravity. You don't know what S is, and you need to work out what T is. Okay, so then you use the equation V is equal to U plus AT, and then rearrange it so that you get V minus U over A is equal to T, and it's simply a case of inserting numbers. So minus 5.79 minus 5.79 over minus 9.81 is equal to 1.18 seconds. Now that you've found out time, you can use the simple equation speed is equal to distance over time to find the distance that the ball was travelled. Here you need to do 6.89 times by 1.18 Okay, so to work out velocity, you need to do displacement over time. You need to rearrange this so that you get V times by T is equal to S. In order to work this out, you need to do cos of 40 times by 9. This leaves you with the answer 6.89. You then use V and times it by 1.18, which is your time, to obtain the answer 8.14 meters, which is the distance travelled by the ball.